Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Call of Duty mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your score streaks within your loadout. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty mobile game on your device, and once you are logged in using your credentials, you will be taken into the home page. From this page, just tap on Loadout at the bottom section, and now you can change your weapons, your soldier, as well as various other details within your match. Now just tap on multiplayer at the left side and you will see the various different equipments that you can have within your multiplayer match. In order to change your score streaks, just navigate to the score streaks section and you will now see the various different score streaks that you have already selected. Just tap on any one of the score streaks and now you will see the 3 score streaks that you have already equipped. Just tap on any option and you can check the details at the right side. You may look at the various different ones that are on offer, and once you have found the score streak that you would like to change into, just tap on the equip button. You will then be asked to choose the one score streak that you would like to replace this with. Just tap on the swap button for the one that you wish to replace, and now this score streak will be added within your loadout. You may also change the other ones if you wish by following the same steps. And now you can go back and start enjoying your multiplayer matches with your newly chosen score streaks right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your score streaks on the Call of Duty mobile game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.